this painting is called Stand Your Ground. And I guess there was a point in my own path where I felt like I needed to stand my ground in a supernatural way and just hold on to the truth and the identity that God had given me. And in life, we all gonna have obstacles to overcome. So right here, you see my negative situation. And you see a man right here with his little flag and his sword and his shield. And even though the opposition, the negativity looks way bigger than that man, he's choosing to stand his ground and represent who God created him to be. And if you look here, you can see the angels coming out of heaven, a legion, to have my man's back down here so he can finish overcoming what's in front of him. Stand your ground.